just arrived at our Airbnb here in Athens. And we're on the 8th floor of this place. We even have a little washer there. So you walk in and you got a little bathroom. She even has little toiletries, which is really nice. I don't know if you always get that, but this is an Airbnb Plus. So it's been validated by Airbnb themselves. But the price is really great despite it, you know, being that. So you got like a walk-in shower, some hooks on the walls like for hats. I really love this bookshelf. It's really different. Then you got a little kitchen here. Got all your little amenities like a little stove and oven. Probably got some plates and stuff. Yep. And a little mini fridge. Put some things in there. Might get some water. Microwave, and then a little table. Little chair. They do have AC, which I just cranked on. I have it on the highest setting. And then here's the bed area. So just a studio, but just perfect for our needs for 2 nights. And then here is the window overlooking the city. I mean, I think we're fairly close to the Acropolis. I think that's what it said when I booked it. So here's kind of down, looking down. Oh, nice. This is awesome. Wow. That's awesome. Okay, this is an awesome pool. Pretty cool. I'm ready to go. So you have to push it. Here's how we get out. So here's like kind of the courtyard area of our Airbnb. Just like little, like a library. That's kind of neat.
It's supposed to be the academy.
Yeah, academy, academia. All right, what museum is this?
This is the National Archaeological Museum.
National Archaeological Museum in Athens.
They have the Antikythera mechanism in here. They dug that up. It wasn't dug up. They found it. It was it's a deep sea diving expedition. They found this in a shipwreck, a Greek shipwreck.
Okay.
The first computer.
Pretty cool.
Jamie Clown.
Just think, ancient peoples sat here.
Yep.
Oh wait, I think this is the St. Paul thing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I guess you will climb it, right?
Well, if St. Paul went up there.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure this looked like the picture. So Athens is like the city of cats. There's one there, there's another one there, and there's some over there, both like black and white, and then two white ones.
Oh, there's one right there.
And there's another one.
Oh, there's more. Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness!
1, 2, 3. It
Must be like, I mean, they're just like
15, 20. Wow. Okay.
they're so friendly. Alright, here we are waiting for a taxi pickup. This is the street that the Airbnb is on. It's right, you go in right there. There's a blue door. And then there's another door you have to go through it to unlock. So there's the apartment building. Look at all the graffiti. Oh, this is where we were last night.
Oh, yeah.
Here's the church we saw. Alright, we're outside the temple of Zeus, which is just basically ruined. And probably have to pay to get in, so we don't want to pay, so we're just like standing outside the gate.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of ruins. You can't even go up to the ruins.
Yeah, you can't even like go right up to them, so it's like, so what? So we're like that much closer, but get this on camera. So you go into the elevator, you have to open the door, you have to push it, here. Then you just go around the corner, down the hall. That door is to the pool, and this door, now put this weird looking key in. To do it the right way. Okay, there we go.
It's like there's a specialized doors here with the handle in the center of the door.
Yeah.
Strange.
Oh, it's nice and cool in here.
Strange relative to what?
So yeah, there's all the locks. So I like that it's very secure. Lock that, and then you can lock it from the inside. Doing the same thing. Just do a couple times. All right, we are back. We gotta get up really early tomorrow to catch our ferry to Santorini. So